Hello students, I am Khusre sir from Guruvarya Dadoji Kondadev Sainik School Tasgaon. So today we are going to see sixth topic of spotting error, pronoun. The students who are trying for UPSC written exam for the subject English. So let's see spotting errors for the topic pronoun. So these are some cases: nominative case, objective case, possessive case, reflective case. Nominative case means the words which come before verb. These are pronouns, means I, we, he, she, it, they, who, etc. Then second column, objective case, the pronouns which come after the verb generally. These are me, us, him, her, them, whom, etc. Then third column, possessive case, my, our, his, her, their, whose. And last column is reflective case, myself, ourselves, himself, herself, themselves, etc. These cases are important while seeing the errors while using the pronoun. So let's see. First is one. The pronoun one must be followed by once. One must do one's duty to one's country. अगर one pronoun यूज करना है तो उसके बाद once generally यूज किया जाता है. Now see the second one regarding one. When one means one in number, the pronoun for it is third person singular pronoun he, she और it. अगर one का मतलब एक ऐसा है, एक व्यक्ति ऐसा है, तो he, she ऐसे यूज करना चाहिए. One of them has given up one's duties. ऐसी कंस्ट्रक्शन रॉन्ग है. सही क्या है देखिए. One of them has given up his studies. इधर once की जगह his यूज करना चाहिए क्योंकि one of them उनमें से एक ऐसे है इधर. थर्ड वन, everyone और everybody. Everyone or everybody must be followed by his. Everyone should love his country. Next is each, every, anyone, anybody. See, each, every, anyone, anybody must be followed by the singular pronoun of their person. For example, anyone can do this if he tries. He is important here. Let is followed by pronoun in the objective case. Objective case means second column, which we have seen. Let him go. Let you and me solve this puzzle. Here objective case is important. Then sixth one, but or except and such as. But and except are followed by pronoun in the objective case. Everyone attended the party except him. Such as is followed by pronoun in the subjective case. I have no liking for such a man as he. So see the underlined words carefully. But and except के बाद objective case आती है. Such as के बाद subjective case आती है. Now see the seventh one. Some words are there. Verbs. Verbs like enjoy, avail, pride, resign, apply, acquit, assert, absent are followed by reflexive pronouns. इन verbs के बाद reflexive pronouns means हमने जो list देखी थी first time उसमें last column है वो reflexive pronouns. He absented himself from the class. Absented verb है इसलिए उसके बाद himself आया है. We enjoyed ourselves at the party. I availed myself of the opportunity. She prides herself on her wealth and beauty. He resigned himself to fate. So in this way, इन verbs के बाद reflexive pronoun आते हैं. See next one. Reflexive pronouns are never used with the verbs keep, conceal, qualify, spread, rest, stay. इन verbs के बाद reflexive pronouns use नहीं करना है. I stayed away from my class. He qualified in the test. He qualified himself अगर यूज किया तो वो रॉन्ग होता है. She kept away from the show. Now see, when first, second and third person singular pronoun means I, you and he are used together, they are placed in the order you, he and I. इनका क्रम तय किया गया है. You, he and I. You, he and I are neighbors. In the same way, in case of plural pronouns, we come first, then you and then they. We, you and they must work together. But if we have only two persons including first, then first person pronoun is written first. For example, I and Sanju have done this job. इधर I and Sanju दो प्रोनाउन आए हैं, उस समय I फर्स्ट आता है. I and Sanju have done this job. Who, whom, who denotes subject and whom denotes object. Who do you think did the job? Whom did you abuse? 11th, who and which. Who is used for persons and which is for lifeless objects. व्यक्ति के लिए who यूज किया जाता है और lifeless object उसके लिए which यूज किया जाता है. This is the table which I was talking about. He married Sunita, who is the daughter of Mr. Roy. Which and that, which conveys additional information and that explains a certain thing. I will tell you the first thing which I remember. I am talking about traffic management that forms a part of his duties. The following expressions usually take that in place of who or which. Only, any, it is and all superlatives. इसका मतलब ये है कि अगर only वर्ड है, any वर्ड है या it is से शुरुआत है या कोई सुपरलेटिव है तो उसके बाद who और which यूज़ नहीं करना है, that यूज़ करना है. He is the only man that can do it. Any man that listens to you is a fool. It is the same watch that was stolen by him. All that glitters is not gold. This is the best that we can do. So these are the examples where we have used the word that. 14 each other and any other. Each other is used for two, one another for more than two. अगर दो है तो each other, उससे ज़्यादा है तो one another. Rahul and Renu love each other. They help one another. Now see nominative case. it is useful for to know the next point. Nominative case pronouns which come before verb: I, we, he, she, they, who, etc. The complement of the verb to be when it is expressed by a pronoun should be in nominative case. For example, it was he who did it. ये कॉम्प्लीमेंट है, वॉज इधर कॉम्प्लीमेंट है, इसलिए इट वॉज ही कॉम्प्लीमेंट है तो नॉमिनेटिव केस यूज करना चाहिए. इफ आई वेयर ही आई वुड नॉट गो देयर. नाउ सी रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउंस: myself, ourselves, himself, herself, themselves. When the same person is the subject and object, it is necessary to use reflexive pronouns. For example, I cut me shaving this morning is a wrong construction. So what is the right construction? I cut myself shaving this morning. इधर सब्जेक्ट भी वही है और ऑब्जेक्ट भी वही है, उस समय रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउन यूज करना चाहिए. आई कट माई सेल्फ. Now see the objective case, generally which comes after verb. These are me, us, him, her, them, whom, etc. When a pronoun is the object of a verb or preposition, it should be in objective case. For example, these books are for you and I is a wrong construction. So the right construction is like this: these books are for you and me. Between him and me there is an understanding. Now 18th one, relative pronoun. The relative pronoun should be placed near as possible to the antecedent. Here is the book that you lent me. बुक के बाद दैट यूज किया है. आई हैव रेड शेक्सपियर्स वर्क्स हु वॉज अ ग्रेट ड्रामेटिस्ट. इधर हु के पहले शेक्सपियर आना चाहिए, लेकिन हु के पहले इधर वर्क आया है, सो इट्स अ रॉन्ग कंस्ट्रक्शन. नाउ सी विच इज द करेक्ट कंस्ट्रक्शन. आई हैव रेड द वर्क्स ऑफ शेक्सपियर हु वॉज अ ग्रेट ड्रामेटिस्ट. इधर शेक्सपियर के बाद हु आया है, इसलिए ये राइट कंस्ट्रक्शन है. सो आई हैव रेड द वर्क्स ऑफ शेक्सपियर हु वॉज अ ग्रेट ड्रामेटिस्ट इज ए करेक्ट कंस्ट्रक्शन. सो इन दिस वे वी हैव completed spotting error pronoun. Thank you.